Hey everybody, as you can see, I'm outside of my favorite store, Costco. I'm always at Costco. I remember before we moved here, we said we can move here if they have a Costco and a Home Depot, and this city had both, so it had our vote. And so we're here now for 14 years or so out here in this area. But guess what? Today is November 1st. November 1st, I can't believe it is almost the end of the year, and here we are. It is also National Diabetes Month. So because I like to reverse type 2 diabetes and I like to help you reverse type 2 diabetes, I decided to come on and share with you one recipe per day for some absolutely delicious foods that you can eat for Thanksgiving and still maintain your good blood pressure, blood sugar, and blood cholesterol. Or if you don't have it, we know that this is a way that you can develop it. So we know that Thanksgiving has actually been like this monumental holiday for so long because we think of it as the time where the Pilgrims came over on the Mayflower and had a bountiful harvest meal with the Native Americans there. But I have come to think of Thanksgiving as more of a family time and more of a family of thankfulness, if that makes sense. I think of it as I am thankful not necessarily or in addition to the bountiful blessings of food, absolutely, but also for the bountiful blessings of family. So we think about Thanksgiving and we think about our families and everybody sitting around the table and apple pie and turkey and stuffing and sweet potatoes and macaroni and cheese and rice and peas and all of those wonderful, delicious things that we want to eat for the holidays. Well, Dr. Helen is here to assure you that just because you are living a life free of type 2 diabetes does not mean that you're living a life free of delicious food for your holiday. So that is what has inspired me to give you one recipe a day for Thanksgiving. Some recipes, there's going to be 24 recipes. You're probably not going to even eat all of them, but I'm going to give you some choices so that you have something to look forward to and you can pick and choose those recipes that you think are delicious and things that you want to try and things that maybe you're not interested in. I don't really care which ones you use, but I do want you to know that I have taken every aspect of this Thanksgiving holiday and Christmas holiday into consideration. So I am interested in having delicious food because if you can, I am not lacking in eating. I am not a skinny rail. I'm not, not overweight or anything, but I'm not skinny either. So I do get some food in there because I love the foods that are delicious, and Thanksgiving is a huge holiday in my family, and I know it is in yours. So let me help you make your holiday a deliciously healthful holiday this year. So this is going to be our countdown for 2022. Now you stay close because I got them ready for you and I'll have one for you every day. So don't go anywhere. We'll be right here on your channel helping you get the best out of your holiday in a healthful way. So I'll see you next time. Love you much. Take care. Live life by choice and make it a healthy day. Take care.